1 compressed air duster multi-use. This air duster used for PC, computer cases, keyboard cleaner, camera, plant, car, pet hair, fans, lily windows, swimming rings, yoga balls, steamboats, air mattresses, etc. Air duster 5 nozzles and 3 brushes and LED lights. Comes better cleaning meet different needs. Compressed air makes it easier to clean corners or place where hand cannot reach. LED lights automatically illuminate when turned on. Electric air duster, allowing you to easily clean up dark corners, bringing great convenience to your cleaning. Air dusters use different equipment cleaning, so that dust has nowhere to stay. Air dusters 3-speed wind powerful. The compressed air dusters is equipped with an upgraded 1.85 to 2.51 ounces motor, which provides super airflow for deep cleaning. Press 3s and hold the power on, click the button. You can switch 3 wind speed, provide high pressure air to remove dust, debris, and dust from any electronic equipment in the home or office. Let you no longer worry about cleaning. Electric air duster energy saving USB charging. Air duster comes with USB-C charging cable, green light is always on, fully charged. Compressed air dusters is good replacement for compressed air can. This compressed air energy savings and eco-friendly and energy efficient,